Okay. Okay, anyhow, we completed the writing of the program Verilog HDL for the my digital system in the gate level or structure model. Today we go with the data flow modeling, writing the same. Okay, for the digital system, we'll write the with the different model, that is the data flow model. How where the data will be flowing, whether it data will flow where in the exactly where it will flow on the circuit throughout the wires, throughout the connections or wires. Those to be we are concentrating moreover on the rather than the gates. We'll concentrate on the how the data will be flowing in the wires. We'll be concentrating on that is to be expressed with the some statements are there. Those to call as the assignment continuous assignment statement is there. Continuous assignment. We will not say always continuous assignment, continuous assignment, but we'll be using the one keyword, that is the assign keyword. Okay, one keyword with the assign keyword. For the wherever we'll find the in the programming set there the keyword assign, that is you should remember that to the what type of programming. It's the data flow modeling. That is what's the data flow modeling. In the data flow modeling only we'll be using the assign keyword. Will not use the anywhere. Okay, we'll be using the assign keyword. Okay, assign keyword when I will start. Okay, while writing the assignment statement or continuous assignment statement, we have the some okay, this is what the syntax. We should have to follow this syntax. Okay, assign. If I say the assign, then the drive strength or delay. Okay, this you should have to mention. Okay, when the drive strength or delay you should mention. Then the net assignment expression. Okay, net or assignment expression. It means here the whatever the these drive strength and the delay optional. These two are the what the optional. You need to not to write. Worry about this one. Drive strength is not necessary to write, and even the delay is also not necessary to mention. If it is necessary, you as mentioned, then only you can write. Always we will be using the assign with the net or assignment expression directly. We'll write. Moreover in the program, most of the time we'll not use the drive strength and the delay and all will not mention here. Okay, we'll be using always the our keyword, that is the assign keyword with the net name, or else you can use the assignment of the assignment or expression any. Okay, that's nothing but here the assign keyword use. Okay, even okay, this is what the some brief introduction about the assign what is that assignment statement or continuous assignment statement. Here some it has also some characteristics. What type of characteristics is it must be always the scalar or vector net. Scalar or vector net, it is you should have to mention always. ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, it's not necessary to use the what the vector net vector. You can use the scalar directly, you can mention. Okay, either it of one you should have. Okay, one more thing is that always the wherever if I use the always assign keyword, that should be active in position. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವೈರ್ನ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಇರಲ್ಲ, active ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದ. That means here the assign keyword, if I use the any assign keyword in the my data flow modeling or writing a program, that should be this keyword should have to have the it should be very active in position. It should be very active in position. Okay, one more thing is that if I use the assign keyword with the this is what the assign keyword is what the LHS part. Next point is what the LHS part. Assign keyword is the LHS point, but the RHS side this is what the somewhat expression. Okay, LHS will not be changing always, you should remember, but the RHS side it can be changing here that the assignment that we have the net values. Always the net values will be keep on changing, you should remember. But that's nothing but it can contains the expression also, sometimes expressions also. It means here the RHS part is the what the expandable ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಅಸೈನ್ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಟೈಪ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಟೈಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ದ ಡಿಲೇಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ time units. Whenever you use the if you use the delays in the assign keyword, that should be mentioned in the time units. What is the time units? You should have to that what whether it is a milliseconds or microseconds, you will be mentioning that one. That's nothing but here the delays. If I use the delays, that should be in the time minutes. And also, for example, this is what the examples are there. If I use the assign keyword for the out is what the one of the wire, one of the that is to be what are the values to the out? We have the inputs A1, I1 and I2. Here we will not bother about what the gate name and all. We will not bother about only what the, we'll think about only the assign which wire ಏನಂದ್ರೆ the input and output ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಗೇಟ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. AND ಗೇಟ್, ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೇನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. AND ಗೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, we'll have that one just to have the idea. Okay, then the assign keyword with the adder name. This is what the adder name, that is have the vector with the inputs numbers are what is the 15 is to 0. It's nothing but the 16 bit. It's 16 bit. You are writing the equal to A1 15 is to 0 with the tilde, that is the not of the tilde, which is the XOR gate. This is what the XOR with the A2. Oh, sorry, A2. This one is what the A2 or A2. This is what the A2 with the 15 is to 0. It's nothing but we are sending the assign keyword with the inputs also. We are not bothered about the complete the gate names and all. We will be having the gate names with the that particular gate names will have the some symbols. Okay, some operating names. Okay, like that. If I have the AND gate, then I can use the 2 times AND operator. This is what the MSN. If I use the OR gate, then I can use the 2 times straight line. If I have the NOT gate, there you can use the tilde or you can also write the tilde. Okay, that's the tilde. Like this, if I use the XOR gate, I can use the this cap portion. And if I use the like this, we'll have the different gate names with the different symbolic representation. We'll see one by one. Okay, don't worry. Okay, take the heading as the gate flow, data flow modeling. Okay, they will be asking in the examination what is the continuous assignment. Explain the it's different types. There are 5 types are there. I'll be explaining. Just to take the heading as the data flow modeling. Data flow model continuous assignment and barili. Continuous assignment. A continuous assignment is the okay, continuous assignment is one of the wire. Okay, this is what the we'll bother about the only the how the data is flowing in the on the nets. That's nets, but the wires. The assignment the next the assignment statement starts with the one keyword, that is the assign keyword. Okay, you take this one as the syntax for this one assign keyword. Okay, assign drive strength with the and also delays also. Okay, this is what the these two are the optional, drive strength and delay. But the thing is that net assignment or expression is this is the expandable. Just to copy this one. Just to copy this one. Okay, next characteristics of continuous assignment. Characteristics of continuous assignment statement or characteristics of continuous assignment statement or first one is what the first one is what the LHS of assignment. The LHS of assignment must have the scalar or vector type net. The LHS of assignment must have the scalar or vector net. Next is what the continuous assignment should always active. Next point, continuous assignment should always active. Should always active. What's there? Continuous assignment is always should active. I'll work on it. Continuous assignment always should be active as RHS expands as RHS 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 operands can have the expanded RHS operands can have the expanded Okay, next point. The operands on RHS can be register or nets. Operands on the RHS can be registers or nets or function calls. Operands on the RHS can be registers or nets or function calls. Next, fourth point. Delay value can be specified. Delay values can be specified for assignments. Delay values can be specified for assignments in terms of time units. In terms of time units. Okay, example is assign out I1 and I2. IND ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು IND gate ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಏನದವ IND gate ಗೆ I1 ಅಂತ I2 ಅದ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನದ ಔಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, if I have the IND gate that is having the inputs I1 and I2 are there. Okay, this is what the output as the out only written. But the I to mention this one is with the assignment keyword. That's the one. That's the output first ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. Output first. Output ಬರ್ದಿ out ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿಯಾ. Next input ಏನದವ I1 and I2 ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು AND ಗೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಸಲಗೆ ಆಂಬರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ XOR ಗೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಈ ತರ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. This nothing but we are not writing the direct gate names. We are instead of writing the gate names and all, we'll use the operators here. Okay, what type of operators I'm using, what type of symbolic representation I'm using. Okay, next question. Next is what the next example is here. Assign keyword with the adder with the in vector form. ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Okay, there are two types of continuous assignments. Here in the data flow modeling only the 4 questions are important here. How to write? Okay, if I give the 2 inputs, then you should have to write the expression based on. Okay, those are important. This is also they will be asking in the examination for 6 marks. What type of assignments keywords you use? Okay, in the shortcut way we can write the assignment way keyword with the 2 types. One is what the implicit continuous assignment, another one is what the implicit net declaration. Implicit continuous assignment, and also another one is what the implicit net declaration. First one is what the this is the this is the shorter form. Okay, this is what the shorter way to write what the continuous assignment to be placed on the net. How it is to be written with the wire out, assign out. Then the inputs are what are those? What is the I1 and I2? I1 and I2. I1 and I2. Similarly, you can also write the same statement can be attended with the one more statement that we call as what the wire. Instead of using the assign keyword, also we can write the wire. Okay, we are what we're doing, we are assigning this out with the wire equivalent. Okay, wire equals to out, wire is what the out, and we are assigning this out as the this expression. Instead of using the assign, we can also write the out wire out, that's the I1 and with the I2. What we are doing, the implicit continuous assignment here, the we are assigning completely the this wire as the out, this out itself we are using the wire with the name of the wire I1 and I2 here. Okay, this is what the implicit continuous assignment. If I use the wire with the outside, then the assignment to assign with the out. Okay, instead of using the wires, this assign keyword toward the output, we can also use the assign keyword toward the inputs as the this is what the implicit net declaration as the wire with the I1 and I2. Instead of giving the wire as the inputs, output purpose will be use the I1 and I1 comma I2, I1 comma I2. Then the assign out, then the I1 and I2. Okay, I1 and I2. Assign keyword use can be used toward the P1 we can mention with the outputs, and even we can also mention the inputs also. If I want to have the input, mention the output, that's the assign with the wire, that's nothing but the wire with the out. Then you can also mention the assign out equals to n I and with the sorry I1 and I2. And ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು and gate ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ. It means here the I can also use the this assign statement toward the in order to define the inputs also. That's the wire I1 and I2. There I defined the wire with the out. That we can also use the wire with the I1 and I2 with the assign keyword as the assign as the what is that out I1 and with the I2. That's nothing but the even the assign keyword can also be used even the input side and even on the output side also. Okay, next you take the heading as the delays. Okay, this is the delay, the time between the changes will happen. Whenever we give the inputs at the LHS part, we will giving the input, we will mention the LHS. That is to be changes. Okay, we are taking the inputs. That will have the inputs has to be changed with some operations. Then that will be given to the and the RHS side will mention that output side. That has to be taken to time. That delay we calls what the delays here. The delays. There are three statements in the continuous assignment delay. One is what the first one is the regular assignment delay. Second one is the implicit continuous assignment delay. Third one is what the net declaration delay. Net declaration delay. If I go with the regular assignment delay, you can see here the assign. One statement is there. Assign 10 out, that's the n1 and with the n2. It's what the simple one assign keyword using directly we are mentioned the delay here itself. We call it for the regular assignment delay. Regular assignment delay. Regular assignment delay. You have to write the delay here. Regular assignment delay. Regular assignment delay. Second one is what the implicit continuous assignment delay. Assign out, sorry, wire, assign same as the 10, out as the output, that's the n1 and with the n2. What we are doing here, we are taking the inputs as outputs with the, that's the delay here also with the keyword wire also. This is what is the implicit delay. Net declaration delay. Net declaration delay is nothing but the will declare the nets with the even the delay also. Net andre ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಹೇಳಿ wires ಇಲ್ಲಿ inputs ಮತ್ತು outputs ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ wire ಗಾಗಿ define ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ nets. Nets are nothing but the inputs and outputs here. We are mentioning here the nets as the wire hash of 10 out. That's nothing but the here the we are getting the in the wire only that the delay is what the 10 seconds with the output wire with the output side with the output side. We can also mention the this is what the next is what the assign. Next is what the assign 10 off. Next out n1 i1 and with the i2 and one with the i2. Okay, you take the heading as the delays. Delay values centered, delay values control the time between control the delay values control the time between the change in RHS operand. The delay values control the time between change in RHS operand. The change in RHS operand when the new value is assigned, when the new value is assigned at LHS, new value is assigned at LHS part. Okay, there are three ways of specifying. There are three ways of specifying continuous delay. There are three ways of specifying delays with continuous assignment statement. Continuous assignment statement, or first one is what the regular assignment delay. First one is what the regular assignment delay. Second one is implicit continuous assignment delay. Implicit continuous assignment delay. Third one is net declaration delays. Third one is net declaration delay. Okay, take the one example assignment. Assign with the hash of 10 out equals to n1 and with the n1 i1 ಬರ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಬರ್ರಿ ನಡೀತದ i1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ನಡೀತದ n1 ಬರೆದು ನಡೀತದ i1 ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ i1 and i2 next implicit continuous assignment delay tori wire with the out at the one more keyword that is the assign hash of 10 out equals to i1 ampersand with the i2 just to copy that copy ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ಶಾಂತೇಶ್ ಸೀದಾ ಕೊಡು ಬರ್ಕೋದು ಗುಂಡೇಕೋ button up your shirts. Okay, next topic is very easy and also very interesting. Okay, definitely will be show the interest in the class. Okay, that's the operators. That's the operators. What type of operators will be using for the writing the gate level structure data flow modeling? We'll see one by one. Okay, operators, take the heading as the operators. Operators, if I have that two variables, by these two variables I can do the so many operations. Those operations should be mentioned with the help of declared with the help of what the operator. If I have the two operands, that can be done, that can be perform the many operations with the help of many operations. It can do any addition, subtraction, even the division, even the shift operations like this. We will have the different, for these operations we'll have the different types of operators for this one. These to be mentioned with the classified with the in three ways. For example, if I have the D1 and with the D2, this is what it is doing. What type of operation here? The AND operation. It is what doing? It is the double ampersand operation. That will give the operator will give what the AND operations. Okay, if I use the this is what the logical. This is what the logical not operation. This is what the logical not operation. ಏನದ ಯಾಕೆ ನಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನಲ್ಲ ಇವನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಖರೆ ಹೇಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳು ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನೀ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆಡೋಣ ನಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಪ್ಕೋತಿ ನೀನ್ ನಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಿಜಾನ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ತದ ಏನದ ನಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಕ್ಕಿದಿಲ್ಲ ವೈ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಜೋಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ I'm telling you how much marks you need, you come and ask me, I'll give that much marks. ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಐಮ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಐಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಲ್ಕೋತಾರ ಸುಮ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇವನ್ ನನ್ಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹೇಳೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ತರ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಸದಾಶಿವ್, even I am telling to others also. Please, seriously, I am telling you, don't come to the class. If you are coming to the classes, then be serious in the classroom. You ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳು, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು, ಉಳ್ದವ್ರ ಕಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. Will not have the any control over the what the marks and all here. Definitely will give the good marks for you all. Okay, if I have the operator here, the one operator, that is the operand B, that is to be what the shifted toward the right, shifted toward the right shift. This is what the shifted. How many shifts it is having? Only one shift. Only one shift. That is having the one. We can say it's what the A. Okay, B. These we to call as the what the operands. These we call them as what the operands. Now you can karitive operands or variables. Sometimes we can say it's what the variables, but the logical operations are with this the what the we in this while writing the program we call them as the operands. This one, whatever we are using these to be what called as the operator. What's that? Operator. Okay, if I have the boy and a girl, if I have the if they are sitting together, they can have the many affections between them. They can do many things over there. They can like this. These two we call them as the girl and boy. We can say them as the what the operands. Whatever they will have the some affection, no, those to be named as what the operators. They can do many things as the plus operation, minus operation, and even the multiplication, division, like this. Will have those to be implemented with the help of the operator. We call them as the operator. Okay, operator types are there. So many different types are there. One is what the arithmetical operator, another is what the logical operator, logical shift operator, and also relational operator, equality operator, reduction operator, shift operator, and also we have the conditional operator also. If I have the if statement, if I want to declare with the write the if statement, then I would have the conditional statement, conditional operator also. If you want to work with the gates, logical gates, then I will have the logical operators also. If I want to have the relational, what's that? Relational operators, that's the greater than or equal, or like this, we'll have the different types of relational operator also. If I want to work with the bitwise operations, okay, bitwise operation, definitely I will have the different types of bitwise operations. If you know that these operations, then definitely you can easily write the program very easily. And definitely in the examination for the 10 marks they will be asking, right? They will be giving the two values for the two operands, then you have to do the these many operators. Okay, let's see, we'll have that one. This is what the operator type. Just to write these things, operator type. Okay, you copy as with me also. Operator symbol, copy along with me. Okay, operation performed, operation performed, and also number of operands I need. If I want to have the not get operations, then how many operands I need there? Not get ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾವ not get ಗೆ? Only one. That's the input. We have the only one operator. That's the. This is also depends on the number of operands also. Number of operands, number of operands. Okay, if I want to go with the arithmetic operations type, arithmetic arithmetic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇವನ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ okay then the operator symbol for the multiplication is what the star okay this is what type of operation it is doing multiply okay what are the number of operands how many need I have for the multiplication two operands I need compulsory okay similarly for the division it will do what the division operation it is doing what the division operation number of operands I need here two only even I want to have the addition operation then the operator here the operator is what the plus operator I need this is what the it is doing what the addition operation how number of operands are here what the two only similarly you can also have the subtract operation subtractor symbol is what this is what the subtraction here the how many operands I need here two operands for this also similarly for the modulus is what the given in the form of the percentage that is to be I need what this is what the modulus how many operands I need here this for this also two operands I need here similarly for the power exponent or like this we'll have the this is the operator this is what the e of what the 22 like this 10 of e like this we have that one no e of 2 that's nothing but the 10 e2 this is what the 10 raised to 2 10 raised to exponential of 2 how to write this one this is to be done with the what the operator symbol as what the double star two stars so I need here this is what the power or exponent what is this one power or exponent how many operands I need here this is also two one is what the power another one is the exponent purpose I need a base also just to copy this one okay even we'll continue the writing of the logical also bitwise also like this okay just to copy this one all of you copy that one table copy them copy it operator types you take the heading as the operator types then you take the operator types and symbols this is what the operator type what type of operator arithmetic operation ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅದರ ಎಷ್ಟು symbols ಇದಾವ these many symbols these symbols are related to arithmetic operation as the this is the multiply this is the division plus operator addition minus is what the subtraction this is what the percentage is modulus this double star is what the power expansion this is the number of operands I need how many two operands for the each and everything okay similarly I'll be changing the for the logical also from here just to copy this one okay I hope you all copied this one logical shall I erase this one okay this is what the okay what are these okay this is what the for the not get purpose this is what they call the logical not operations logical not operations logical not operation how many operands I need here for not get inputs ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತವ how many inputs for the not get only one that's what the how many operands I need here only one this is the only one which is having the only one type only one operand here okay this is what the AND operation that's the logical AND you should write like this logical AND the how many operands I need here two operands this is what the logical OR how many operands I need here two like this you copy this one first then I'll go with what the relational just to copy those Then I go with the relational operators are nothing but the relation between the one to one. That's nothing but the this is what the greater than. This is what the greater than. This is what the lesser than. This is what the greater than or equal. This is what the lesser than or equal. We should have to mention here just to name the them. This is what the greater than. Write it greater than. This is what the lesser than, less than, less than. This is what the greater than or greater than or equal or equal or equal. This is what the small. This is what the less than or equal. Less than or equal ada nodri. Okay, here the how many operands I need here? Two. Almost all two. Only one is what the logical NOT gate will have the only one operand I need there. Only one operand. Then I go with what the equality. Equality. The coming concepts are very easy. Okay, don't worry. Okay, equality is what the this if I use the two equals. Okay, if okay one the equal ಹಾಕಬಹುದಲ್ಲ sir ಎರಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this what the HDL programming standards. Okay, you should have to follow this one. ಈಗ ಒಂದೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀತೀರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಡಬರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ a equals to b ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. A double equals to b ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. These are what the operators that will perform the operation between the two operands. Okay, this is what the equality. This is what the equality. Okay, if you want to mention it's the non-equal, it's not equal, then I have to take the this is the exclamatory sentence with the exclamatory mark with the what the equal. That's what the it's not the we can say it's what the this is the inequality, and also I have the case equality. If I use the three equal symbols operator symbol, then I can use say it's what the case equality. This if I use the one okay, this is what the one NOT gate with no, this is what the explanatory with the two equals, then the you can say is what the case inequality. This is what the case inequality. Okay, this just I need that for this also only the two operands. Okay, for this all this I need the two operands. Just to copy this one. Just to copy this one. Are ಅದು equality check ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ case equality ಅಂತ. Case equality. That's sometimes we need the we need to mention this is not completely equal. We'll see one by one example. I'll explain. Case equality. This is what the standards forms to what the writing a program HDL program in Verilog HDL program will have the some operators here. We should have to in C daga C++ agali Java daga different types of operators they are using. This is also one of the standard one